Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the MadMuscles Workouts app is and how it's positioned. MadMuscles is a health and fitness app designed to provide personalized workout plans and nutrition guidance to help users gain muscle, lose weight, or get shredded through structured training routines and meal planning tools, as described in the official App Store listings. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The general purpose of MadMuscles is to create tailored workout plans based on a user's fitness level and goals, whether you prefer gym sessions, home workouts, or a mix of both, according to verified store information. Officially documented features include a library of static and dynamic workouts targeting different muscle groups, helping you work from arms to legs with plans that adapt to your goals. The app includes high-quality video tutorials to demonstrate proper exercise form and technique, making it easier to follow the plans without guesswork. Verified descriptions show an exercise swap feature that lets you replace a planned exercise with another of similar difficulty if you prefer, keeping your routine flexible. Achievements and challenges are part of the app, designed to keep motivation up by rewarding progress and driving consistency over time. MadMuscles also offers personalized meal plans and shopping lists, adapting nutrition guidance to your preferences and restrictions, as described in the official listings. Data from your workouts can sync with health platforms such as Apple Health or Google Health, helping integrate fitness tracking across devices. This app may be useful for people who want structured guidance on workouts and nutrition in one place instead of piecing together routines manually. For users interested in making consistent progress toward specific fitness goals with adaptive plans and interactive features, this could be an option. Because some subscription terms and billing processes have drawn controversy in user discussions, this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential concern for clarity on charges. This may indicate that careful review of purchase flow and refund policies is important before committing. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.